Hi folks, this is the May Special 2009 Wildcat by Forest River. This coach has been very well kept, featuring a trail air hitch on front, trail air pin box. One of the smoothest riding pin boxes that you can find. Like I said, this coach has been well cared for. Features 3 slides. Very unusual floor plan when you go inside. Nice big slide here with lots of windows in it. This coach is on special, $22,995. It's a very good price for a coach this clean and this good a condition. It has a custom hitch on the back, apparently set up for triple towing. Large awning, outside speakers, just a gorgeous coach. The model is 30LSBS for bedroom slide. Let's go inside. What a nice coach. Now there's some blockout foam in some of these windows to keep it cool in here. Never seen one quite set up like this. Lots of oak cabinetry in here. It's a door that you can view from the outside. A fireplace. Really nice U-shaped sofa that makes into a sleeper. Very open and spacious in here. $22,995, a very good price for this clean coach. And I have great financing for it also. Big walk around queen bed. Lots of storage behind those glass mirrors. Real nice stand-up shower. A little dark in here. Overall, this is a nice coach. Got a ceiling fan in here. Like I said, the light's been blocked out. Keep it cool. This is why it came in on trade. Very nice. $22,995. You want to ask Terry about this. There's a microwave and an oven. Stainless steel sinks. Ask Terry. My number will be on the ad. $22,995 for this beautiful coach. Thank you.